you can follow big hedge funds and institutions and follow exactly what they're trading and piggyback with them. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. We're going to break down how to look for these big moves that are happening, how you can use the charts in your favor, and how you can team everything up together to make huge returns with these institutional traders or hedge funds. Now, before I dive in, make sure you guys smash this like button, get it to 100 likes, because yet still we're waiting to upload that 1 hour long video so I can teach you guys my exact process. Charts, whales, indicators, everything I use to make $50,000 per month is going to be given in that video, but you got to get this video to 100 likes. Now, without further ado, let's dive in and show you guys how you can follow big hedge funds to make money with them.
So last week we talked about how to identify stocks to potentially swing trade. Not only did that bring ACHR to our watch list, but it also allowed us to understand how this chart is setting up for a pocket push towards 894. Okay, we found this last week and we understood that if it got above this 864 level, it could make its way up to this 984. Today, price got above this 864, and what was interesting was the fact that we're able to see some new order flow come in on the option side that kind of coincided and matched our thesis. What was that? That was one, we got about 50K in premiums coming in. One of them was for 32 weeks out, which is great. It tells us that that's the direction we're looking for. But most importantly, look at the strikes that they're choosing. They're choosing right at this resistance, $9.84, $10. So they're not too far out. They're looking at exactly what we're seeing. But what was really interesting about this options flow, guys, was the flow that came in at around noon here, and it was $57,000, and it came in for 4 days out. So what does this tell us, right? When we're looking to take an options flow trade, specifically based on flow, we want one, short dated calls / puts, meaning they're going to expire within 7 to 20 days. We want to see large dollar size being put up, and we want to see it at the ask, because that shows aggressiveness. Okay, so when we're looking at this, what do we have going for us here, right? Short dated calls and puts, great, we have 4 days out. Large size being put up, 57K, relatively large here, and it's at the ask. So when you're looking at this here, the green is telling you that they're hitting the ask, right? So when they're hitting the ask, it's pretty aggressive, and they're trying to move this towards the upside, right? So we have everything kind of going for us here. Now, if we take a look at this option chain right here, take a look at this spike, right? Right here at this spike is when they came in and they bought this, right? So they're technically not green yet, but the thesis kind of coincides with what we're going with. They came in, they bought this. You'll pay attention to here. Now, the volume will increase significantly tomorrow. The OI will significantly increase tomorrow if this person is still in the contract. So how do we track that? We will add this to our watch list and we can monitor it, right? So we can see here, there's 3,530 that was added to this chain. So tomorrow morning, this OI should increase by 3,500, all right? If they are still in the trade. That's how you can monitor this. So tomorrow morning, if this does not go up by 3,500, so essentially if the total OI is not 5,000, then this means that we cannot follow that trade because they're no longer in. They probably bought and sold at the same day. However, if this OI does increase by 3,500, then we can say, okay, those guys are still in the trade, and they're probably most likely holding for this move up towards this 984 level. All right. So what did we have here overall, guys? We had a daily chart in a pocket. We had room on the daily chart to make money. 3, we had options flow in our favor. And 4, we are either day trading the trigger or waiting for a candle close above the daily level for a swing trade. Now, this number 4, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here on this number 4, watch my last video. I explain exactly how to find stocks to swing trade. But as you're finding stocks to swing trade, you're coming up with key levels. So for example, here we came up with the key level here of 864. If the price action gets above 864, then we move up into 984, essentially for a day trade. We can scalp this move upwards into this resistance-less area until 984. Okay. So again, to recap here, guys, we want to make sure that the daily is on our side. We have some options flow in our favor. We have a break of key level. And when all these things line up for you, you have a higher chance of success on becoming profitable in that trade.
So I just broke down exactly how you guys can find these big orders, team it up with your technical analysis, take a position either day trading or swing trading, and make significant returns with these guys. This is something me and my students are doing every day, and most of my students are seeing returns of 10 to 20,000 per month. If you want to work with me one-on-one to get to similar success, all you have to do is click the link down below, see if you qualify to work with me, and if you do, great. Me and you will personally jump on a call so we can break down exactly what you need help with and see if my program is a good fit for you. And if you don't, and you're not ready for one-on-one mentorship, and you want to take some free trainings, no problem at all. All you have to do is watch this video right here. I have detailed explanation of what I do and how I do things so you guys can get some free content and make yourself a better trader before you make such an investment. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.